Hi, I'm Terry from Mr. Locksmith. I've been working years and years now on my online locksmith training. So I've been working on this course for years and years. I update it constantly. There's some videos you'll see on the online course that you won't see anywhere else. So go to my link, mrlocksmith.com. You'll see my online locksmith course. It's a correspondence course. We're also going to have some webinars where we can have some live stream where we can talk about the online course, and we can talk about some pitfalls that you have to get over. Also, anybody who does my hands-on course is automatically signed up to my online locksmith class. Also, I have several other online courses. I have Sentry safes, how to open those. Hey, they're the most popular safe sold in North America and a lot of countries overseas. I have some techniques where to drill them, or which ones the magnets work on. The rare earth magnets can open up a few, won't open up the others. I have the drill points for the most popular, and some bypass methods that are non-destructive, but also sometimes when the solenoids break or there's a malfunction, sometimes the quickest way is to drill a hole in the safe. I have a automotive course as well, and I have some specialty courses on Sentry safes, how to open up Sentry safes. I have an RV section for making keys to recreational vehicles. And I'm always updating the videos and the descriptions all the time. I keep it current. I see a new lock. You'll see this one, Abloy. They got a new, to me, a new way of installing the lock. And so that's covered. There'll be a video on that as part of the online locksmith class. Please sign up, and here is the link.